What up guys, today I'm going to be going over my top 5 Christmas items that I'm putting on my list as a content creator. But first we're going to get this workout in, start our day off right how we normally do, get in this gym, do some legs, and then we're going to go over our top 5 Christmas list items for this year. Stay tuned. What's going on guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, I appreciate you tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, turn on the notifications, hit that bell. I will be dropping more content more consistently every Tuesday. That's my goal right now. Been working on a lot of different things, but right now I just want to make sure that I'm staying consistent with my YouTube channel. Just dropping as much game as I can. And if you guys have any ideas for any content that you guys want to see, any advice that you guys want to hear, any tools you guys want me to showcase or show you guys or open about, anything, just any ideas that you guys can give me, make sure you leave it in the comments, man. The more, the better, because I'll be able to brainstorm and come up with some ideas that way. So I definitely don't want to bore you guys with a bunch of stuff that you don't want to see. So make sure you hit the comments. Let me know what you want to see. But today I'm going to be talking about my 5 items that I'm adding to my Christmas list this year as a content creator, as a barber. I got a lot of tools when it comes to content creating, but there's a lot of things that are coming out. They're always constantly dropping stuff. So these are some items that are under 200 bucks, cheap. I don't want to go too crazy, you know, I don't want to spend all the family's money, but I'm definitely adding these to my list. And if you're a content creator, you should definitely, if you don't have these already, add these to your list. So without further ado, let's get started with my first item. It is by Peak Design. This is a camera clip you add to your camera, and it just gives you easy access to your camera. You can hook it onto your backpack when you're running around. Maybe you're traveling like I do a lot, and you got your camera in your hand. You want to sit it down, but you don't want to forget about it or lose it. So with this clip, you can just clip it to your backpack and keep moving and frees up your hands. So it's something that I would use like at the trade shows when I'm shooting content there. You know, you shake a lot of hands, you kind of move around meeting people. So I want to be able to put my camera down, but I don't want to just sit it down on the table where somebody might take it, or, you know, just little things like that. So this is really a great item that you should add to your list. And this item right here is gonna run you about $75 on Amazon, and you could go straight to the Peak Design website if you want to as well to get it. I'll leave it linked down below. That's my first product that I'm gonna be showing you guys, but in no specific order. These are just, I'm just running through my list right now, but 75 bucks, not bad for that. Make sure that that you free up your hands while you're working, and you're able to put your camera down if you need to, and not sit it down somewhere where somebody might take it. So definitely one of the items on my list. So make sure you look into that one. I think you'll enjoy it. I think I will as well. All right, so for my second item that I added to my list, is gonna be the small rig iPhone 13 Pro case. I like this case because it has all the screws on the side to be able to add it to my tripod. If I'm in a rush in the barbershop and I just need to get some quick content, I can always use my phone, put it on 4K and use it. But sometimes you have trouble, you know, holding your phone sideways or putting it in different directions. With this case, it just attaches to your tripod, super simple. And this case runs about 45 bucks. Again, under $100, you can't beat it. And it definitely comes in handy. As a barber in the barbershop, I'm always trying to create content. And sometimes I forget my camera bag at home, which is really rare, but it does happen. Break out that phone, screw it onto the tripod, and use it that way. So definitely something that is just comes in handy, and you know, it's not too expensive. So I added that to my list as well. So the third item on my list is gonna be this newer 2-pack 650 RGB LED light with app controls, so you can change the colors on these lights, whatever color you want. I'm pretty sure you could take photos of colors, like if you see a color on the wall, it'll match it. I have a couple lights like this, but I really enjoy these because they come with the tripod. They come with a couple more stands, so if I wanted to add some blue light like I got in the background right here, I could do that with these. And it just comes as a dual pack, and it's battery powered, so wireless, super simple to use. If you got a street photography shoot that you're trying to do, you could take them with you, put them in the trunk. You know, just more lights. You can always have more lights. I love lighting because it obviously makes video and photo look a lot better. Make those colors pop in the background, just separating your subject from the foreground. So definitely something that that I think I will enjoy using. And that comes at about $193, yeah, about $195. So definitely one of the more expensive ones on my list, but I think it's worth the price. So think about adding that one to your list. You know, if you want to add some color to your photos, add some pop to the background, this is definitely a pretty good tool for that. So number 4 on my list, this one just came out. I just watched a video by Creative Ryan. If you're not subscribed to Creative Ryan's channel, make sure you go over there and check him out, man. He's a creator, has a lot of dope concepts on his page. His Instagram is crazy with photography and videography stuff, but he just dropped a video about this light, and instantly, man, I knew I had to have it. So I added it to my list. If somebody doesn't buy this from me, I'm just gonna go buy it for myself. It's $199. It's the Zhiyun 5-ray light wand, 100-watt light stick. It comes in white and black, but I kind of want the white one just to be different. I know everybody's gonna run with that black one, but I don't know, I like the sleek look of the white, so I'm gonna go with the white one. Again, $199. It's the light, same thing as the other light that I put on the list before this one, but it's a wand, so it's gonna give you more of a straight line effect. You guys run over to Creative Ryan's channel and check out the video he just dropped on that, so you can see what I'm talking about. But yeah, definitely on my list. And again, you can never have too many lights, so if I get both of them for Christmas, I will not be upset. So for my 5th and final Christmas list add-on, this is gonna be the Rode mic stand with microphone, windshield, and dual laddered mic pop filter. This is $44, but of course with this one I'm gonna need the microphone, so I'm gonna add, this is the Rode mic pod mic. So it's a podcast microphone. Obviously I'm using my Rode mic right now and it sounds really good, but I want something just a little more professional, something that looks like a podcast microphone. I believe that the quality is a lot better on this microphone because it's actually made for video. And you know, I don't know much about sound, but I just know that I've seen people with this microphone and I want to learn it. I want to figure out how to use it, and I just want my audio to sound the best possible way. All right, so together this microphone costs $90 plus the microphone stand, which you can connect it to the table and kind of have it swinging out. I know you guys have seen it on other people's channels and podcasts. So with the arm's another $45, so you're looking at about 135 bucks. You know, not bad, still staying under that $200 range. Don't want to go too crazy. You know, you don't want to be asking for stuff and not be able to reciprocate when it comes to the gift. So if my wife asks me for something that's above $200, I'm gonna have to start changing this list. But for right now, this is my list. Again, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that like button. Leave me some comments below if you guys have any of these items and you think I shouldn't have them on my list, or just anything that you think about these items. If somebody out there is using these items, let me know, man. Is this a good Christmas list? Because to me, man, it's pretty solid. I think my 5 items are pretty good for me. You know, it's what I need right now and what I would enjoy using. You know, I'm not gonna ask for anything that's not gonna be enjoyable to use, because right now my main focus is just creating more content for you guys. So all my Christmas stuff, if I can't use it for this, I don't even want it. Don't buy me no shoes, no clothes, I don't need it. I want stuff to be able to create more content. Appreciate you guys again tuning in, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.